those of you who don't know what system we have in the canopy, we'll show you right now. So this is a full Enerdrive lithium battery system. Up the back under the floor we have a 300 amp BTEC battery. We have a 40 plus DC to DC charger, which on a good day with the alternator it puts in up to nearly 50 amps charge. We have a 60 amp AC charger which we can plug into mains when we're pulled up if we really need to, but we never needed to. 2000 watt inverter, and then we have the Simarine system here. So there's our Simarine there. So you can see we are at 100% state of charge. So I think we'll do some cooking now. And Miriam is not allowed to cook on my kitchen in the Chev.
I can't reach your kitchen in the Chev.
So anyway, we're going to cook on there. We're going to show you guys how much power we use, draw, and then how quick we can charge it back up when we're on the road. How actually simple it is. How actually simple it is.
And how actually yummy quesadillas are.
Oh, quesadillas. how un-Australian is that? Like, we're in the Outback and we're having quesadillas.
Quesadillas, let's go.
Yeah, all right, let's do this. So the U-Butte kitchen is over this side. Here's our induction cooktop here. Simples!
Well, that's not the induction cooktop there. The induction cooktop is...
Oh, very good, honey.
Right there.
I've got yours and my step.
His and her
Because
step.
we have such a big, manly truck, we need steps. Here you go, darling. Here's mine. And here's yours. You're out there because you're not allowed to touch my kitchen, all right?
Gladly.
Here we go. Food assistant, are you ready?
Are you ready?
So this is my lovely assistant. She has prepared. Let's have a look at
Have
these
a look.
things.
Can you see in here?
Wow.
Pretty basic. Chicken, cheese and salsa.
There. And then please step away.
Exiting Le Chev.
Thank you. We literally always have the inverter on. We're always charging our batteries and stuff for our cameras. So here's the inverter here to fire all the 240 up on the system. Flick the induction on now and start some cooking. Alright, I will flick him on here. Now it has up to about 9, I think, is the setting, so we'll put it on about 7. So I think that should be good, so we should start to get really hot right now. Let's whiz around the other side quickly. You've got to run, because that gets hot so quickly, and we'll see what sort of power we're drawing. Okay, so let's come up to the Simarine. We are drawing about 108 amps out of the battery. So it's actually 10:39 now, so let's see how long it takes to cook 4 quesadillas, have we?
5.
5? Okay, let's get one. Geez, you're a good assistant. Look at this.
You got oil in the pan?
Oh, yeah, no.
You'd be lost without me.
Oh, probably. All right, how are we looking here? Okay, let's get one on. One at a time, too, man.
Yep.
So we need some elevator music. Forest. I have no idea where we are.
Not to be confused with oolong.
Oolong. She was saying oolong the whole time we were coming in here. It was so funny. Line.
The very last one.
Oh, thank you, assistant. She's a good looking assistant too, isn't she?
La última.
Okay. We've finished cooking. It is 10:51 AM. So how long was that?
I don't remember when we started.
We can't remember when we started, so.
I think it was,
as you can see there.
I think it was 10:39. Let's go and see what damage we did.
Let's have a look what the state of charge is now. How much we drained out of the batteries.
Oh, not much at all.
Here we go here. So 92%. That is how little it used for the induction.
That's what's left. We didn't use 92%.
Yes, that's what's left. All right, guys, induction cooktop, 100% the way to go, isn't it?
I got food all in my teeth, but yes!
So much more efficient. You know, everyone carries on about how much power it does draw, but bear in mind, guys, you cook for half the time. It heats up nearly instantly, and the heat is so good on it.
And it doesn't take long to charge back up, which we're about to show you now.
Yes, so now we're going to pack up. We're full as a goog on our quesadillas.
I could probably finish the last one that's sitting over there.
Oh, we'll finish it. So we're going to pack up and we're going to get back on the road and we're going to show you guys actually how long it takes to charge the battery back up with the DC-DC charger while we're travelling. So.
And how can you monitor it while you're travelling?
Oh, we'll monitor through the app on the phone. Or we can just pull up and do it the old lazy way. No. The hard way. No, the lazy way is actually, with the Simarine. Yeah, the app on the phone. So anyway, let's pack this thing up.
Let's finish the last quesadilla.
Yeah, let's finish it.
First one gets it.
Hey, you in my kitchen?
It's a whole quesadilla. Look at that.
Show me.
No sharing for you.
All right.
Bye.
We've packed up, full as a goog. Now let's see how quick we can charge this sucker up. So we'll jump into the Simarine app now. And then we will connect. Here we go. So state of charge is at 92%. Should tell us we have 51 minutes till we're fully charged. Let's jump on the freeway and see how long it takes before it charges fully back up.
So we're on the road now. It is 11:08. We've opened the app up, and as you can see up here, we're putting back in 39.51 amps. Record at the right time on a really bumpy spot in the road. Oh my gosh, we were going to, well, we're trying to let you know how long it takes to charge back up, but we've just realized that the clock in the car is completely different to the clock on the phone, so it's not going to be entirely accurate on how many minutes, but we've been driving.
Maybe we just go for kilometres.
Yeah, kilometres.
So we've done about 26 kilometres so far.
It's so bumpy. So you can see what's going on at the moment, 95%, and up the top there, 45.73 amps.
Is coming in from the
DC
charger.
Yeah.
And that is only 25 k's down the road that we're already up at 95% state of charge. So the verdict, it is 12:04 a.m. PM. We've driven, how many k's? 54 k's down the road?
Yeah.
And we are at 100%. Here we go, and if we flick back to the battery itself, that'll tell you as well.
It's the battery monitoring system, isn't it?
That's saying it's 99 now. We just clicked over because the fridge is running.
Maybe.
Let's have a look in here. We've got to find which battery it is because we've got too many batteries.
The second one. I think it's the bottom one.
Yeah, because we've got another 2 in the caravan as well. Do you reckon it's that one?
I think it's the bottom one.
Okay. Well, here we go. No,
that's
one in the caravan.
That's the 200 amp hour.
Okay, let's just have a look over here. Come over here. Let's go to the, as you can see, we've got 3 batteries. We've got one 300 in here, and we've got 2 200 Enerdrive Lithium VTECs in there as well. Okay, here we go. Look up in here. So if you go back to here, you can see our state of charge is 100%. That was 54 k's down the road, and I don't know how many minutes because I can't do my math. But
the thing is, you can cook with your induction cooktop. It doesn't draw too much power, and it does not take long to charge.
Well, it does. Yes, it draws 100. How many amps are we drawing? 108 amps.
Yeah.
But literally,
but not for long.
No, not for long at all. So
it doesn't drain the battery much. I guess.
So and then the Enerdrive DC charger just smashes the amps back into it when we're on the road. So
easy peasy.
Happy days. And thanks to my lovely assistant, Miriam Mace, for helping me out in this video.
I literally was about to say, if you do want to get yourself an Enerdrive lithium battery system, just read the information below this video.
You're just trying to put another plug in, are you?
Well, they need to know where to get one. They're awesome, and you guys will need one. So just read below and the links of where you can get one, quite possibly at a discounted price if you know the right people.
Thank you, my sexiest.
Read below.
Bye-bye.